How do we make bone broth and what are the health benefits of bone broth? To make bone broth, we choose the grass-fed animals, the chicken finger or the knuckles of beef or pork or lamb, and you want to have a good large pot, and preferably if you have slow cooker, that would be wonderful. And you just leave these covered with water, and you leave these for 24 hours or longer for the minerals and the gelatin and the collagen to get into this broth. And if you add a little bit of acid, for example, lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to it, it helps bringing the nutrients out of the bone and out of the joints faster and better. And the health benefits include, because of the high collagen, it's very good for the bones and joints, and it has high gelatin, and the gelatin is important for the GI system health, and it's kind of like reduces the inflammation there. And it's full of minerals, full of nutrients, and a lot of amino acids. Amino acids are the building block of proteins, so it's very easy to digest them because your body doesn't have to bother to digest these amino acids. They're already in their unit size, so you can just enjoy them and you can just feed your body with this wonderful food throughout the year, especially in cold season.